Every October 15th for 7 years, Maria cooked the same dinner for two, but ate alone. Her husband died the day before their first wedding anniversary, but Maria never stopped celebrating. She'd make his favorite osobuco, light his candles, play their wedding song. Then she'd talk to his empty chair about everything: her promotion, her sister's baby, how she finally learned to change a tire. This year, something different happened. Mrs. Chen knocked on her door, holding dumplings and tears in her eyes. "I've been watching you through my window," she whispered. "You remind me of myself after my husband passed." They ate together, two widows sharing stories of love that death couldn't erase. Maria realized something beautiful that night. Grief doesn't have to be carried alone. The next October 15th, Maria set 3 places at her table: one for him, one for her, and one for whoever needed to remember that love lives on, even when we think we're dining alone. Some traditions grow more beautiful when they're shared.